Trevor, how much would someone have to pay you in order for you to suck a dick? Who the fuck you been talking to? Nobody, motherfucker. It was just a question. Oh, well, I don't know, probably at least $40. $40? $40? Damn. I was gonna say at least a million. $1 million? You'll give me $1 million to suck my dick? No. No, I'm saying that if someone wanted me to suck a dick, it would have to be at least $1 million before I would suck a dick. I would suck a dick for $1 million. That's what I'm saying. You're a nasty motherfucker. I'm a nasty motherfucker. You said you would suck a dick for $40. Yeah, but someone would actually pay me. It's realistic for someone to pay me $40 to suck a dick. Nobody's paying you $1 million for you to suck a dick. That's just not happening, my friend. You suck a dick for $40. You can't even buy half a carton of cigarettes for $40 anymore. I don't even know why I asked you. I don't even know why I even brought this shit up. Me neither. But I wouldn't suck your dick for $40. Absolutely not. No way. You're too ugly. I'm too ugly? Fuck you, Trevor. Fuck you, buddy. And guess what? I wouldn't suck your dick for $2 million. Well, I wouldn't suck your ugly dick with your mama's mouth for fucking $30 million, bitch. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Hell no, Trevor. You better leave my mama's mouth out of your fucking mouth, buddy, before I turn this motherfucker into the Academy Awards. What? You watch the Academy Awards? Yeah, you'd suck a dick for a lot less than $1 million. I promise you that, buddy.
Go to YouTube and subscribe to Turd Bird Comedy and turn on notifications.